Welcome back to Dawn's Astrological Vision. This forecast is for Pisces Sun sign, rising, and moon sign. And Pisces Sun sign, happy birthday. Your ruler Neptune is quiet this month. However, the planet Venus is going retrograde from March 4th until April 15th. The big red light is Venus retrograde, which is a deal breaker if you're looking for a wedding date over the next 40 days. For the general population, it's a time for some introspection and reassessment of personal values and how they are working out. The Venus retrograde has an approximate 8-year cycle, which means it returns to the same zodiac degree every 8 years. So be aware that there may be a connection to circumstances from 8 years ago. Consider if there is a pattern and if it is being repeated in your life. For you, Pisces, Venus is in your second house, which tells of financial standing and represents money you are able to earn. You are entering a period when you may realize that you are not getting enough of what you want from your physical and financial resources. It may not be true, but this is how you are feeling during this retrograde period. Now is the time to take some time to sort out any overlooked possibilities from simple discontent. What do you really want, and does what you possess really promise to deliver it? Separating what you have and want from who you are and want to become may be the most important issue addressed. Rebalancing your portfolio is an excellent idea now, though some research before making decisions is recommended. Possessions may require maintenance or repair. Draw abundance with an attitude of appreciation and a sense of deserving more. The sun is still transiting Pisces, your first house, ascendant, or solar return until the 20th. Again, happy birthday. This is a time of optimism, assertiveness, self-confidence, and positive self-projection. Now is the time to push ahead on important personal plans and projects. Your exercise of leadership and drive is likely to meet with success. Take steps to improve your appearance and your manner of engaging with others. First impressions are important. Use your authority wisely. Some type of recognition is possible. Others can assist you in making your personal projects a reality. On the 5th, Saturn trines Mars and lets us know it's time to get the show on the road. This is a super productive time because it means that hard work plus following the rules equals success. This will affect your 2nd and 10th houses. These houses rule what you have and what you buy for yourself and the amount of money you earn and career reputation and superiors, respectively. You may also feel restless at restrictions and may push or drive to do things your own way. Use this self-discipline and drive to good purpose so as not to antagonize others. There is a Jupiter-Uranus opposition on the 2nd that affects your 2nd and 8th house. This opposition between Jupiter and Uranus dares you to be your most authentic self by breaking free from societal patterns. However, Jupiter is still retrograde. Jupiter rules growth and expansion, and during the retrograde period, the normal rate of growth and expansion slows. Around the 2nd, unexpected changes or unusual situations demand maximum faith and trust in your own moral judgment not to make erratic decisions. A sudden situation or unusual opportunity may appear to offer the greatest good fortune, so your tendency is to overrate the possibilities, to put your faith in the wrong person, or to bet on the wrong horse. Put your trust only in formal contracts and business dealings. On the 9th, Mars moves into the sign Taurus, your third house, until April 21st. You may unconsciously be inclined to scatter your energies as a result. Channeled well, this is a good time to sell your ideas to others or to present your case. You may be especially busy running errands and communicating with others. Watch out for discussions becoming heated, or they may escalate into arguments more easily. This could be a result of you taking things very personally right now. Watch your driving also. You could have a tendency to be impatient or impulsive. Be careful not only on the road but while operating machinery. The Virgo full moon is on the 12th, which is a good time to start a diet. This is your seventh house, Pisces, the house of important one-to-one relationship, significant others, and business partners. It's time to strike a balance between your own needs and those of another. It's time to compromise and negotiate. Over the next couple of days, partnership tests are possible, but it's also a chance to connect to a special someone in your life. Mercury moves into the sign Aries on the 17th, and the Sun moves into Aries on the 20th. A fiery spring lineup can make this year a game changer because on the first day of spring, the Aries Sun, 4 planets, and the Moon are concentrated in fire signs that signal new adventures and risk. Again, Aries is your second house, Pisces, and over the next 30 days, your focus is likely to be on income, possessions, self-worth, personal value, and security needs. Now is a good time to examine your attitude towards resources, assets, talents, and finances. Budget your earnings and plan to save for a rainy day. If you provide a service to others, you may wish to find ways to increase the value of what you have to offer. The Aries new moon is on the 27th. If you are planning something new this year, the next couple of weeks are the right time to do so. There could be a little pressure to underwrite new projects or finance situations that require sinking money into them. Aries is ruled by the planet Mars, therefore, it's a time when everything seems a bit more intense. Take a second look before making a final decision. This is a good time of the year to make wise investments. They could bring good returns in the next couple of weeks. The Jupiter and Pluto square is on the 30th and can bring up an important legal decision or force you to confront a moral dilemma. This affects your 8th and 11th houses. Generally speaking, we may take on too many interests, activities, or desires under this influence. Exaggerating our importance or power, either to ourselves or others, should be avoided. Around the 30th, avoid making promises that are impossible to fulfill. Pisces, your lucky days of the month are the 6th, 7th, 16th, 17th, 25th, and 26th. This completes your forecast for the month of March. Happy birthday, Pisces. Thank you again for returning, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Enjoy your month immensely, and I'll talk to you in April. Bye.